Hi everyone, and welcome to this playlist where we solve HackerRank problems in C programming. This series is perfect for anyone just starting out with C or programming in general. I'll guide you step by step through every solution and explain things in a simple way so you can easily follow along. Let's jump into our very first problem. In this challenge, we're learning the basics of C programming. The task is simple. Print hello world on the first line, then take some text input from the user and print it on the second line. This problem helps us understand how to display messages and take input from the user, which are important basics in programming. The problem gives us some starting code to help us out. Let's take a look at it. The first few lines include libraries that allow us to use functions like printf and scanf for input and output. Inside the main function, there's a line where we declare a character array, S100. This is just a container to store the text input from the user. The line scanf, %, $C, and S is used to read the input, but don't worry if this looks confusing. We'll break it down in the solution. Now, let's add the code to print hello world in the input string. Here's the completed version. First, we use printf to display hello world on the screen. Next, the line scanf, %, and $C, S is used to take the input from the user and store it in the S array. Think of this as telling the computer to wait until the user types something and presses enter. Finally, we use printf, again to print the text that the user typed. Let's run the program to see how it works. If the input is, life is beautiful, the output will be, hello world. Life is beautiful. It's that simple. And there you have it. Our first challenge is done. You've just learned how to print messages and take input in C. These are the building blocks for writing programs. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll solve another beginner-friendly problem.